Here's the babies. They're 5 days old. Everybody's doing well. This is a yellow girl, orange boy, and black boy are over here. And this one is royal blue. I believe navy blue is right beside him. And then there's a lighter blue, tie-dye blue, and purple girl, and red boy. And we are missing one. Let's see, we need green. I think I see green. You're back here. We put these are pig rails that we put in so Mama doesn't lay on the babies accidentally. Let me get you out. There you go. There's green. I don't think there's enough for everybody. Usually she doesn't let them eat all at one time. She'll separate them out into 3 groups and rotate them in. But she's been taking a little more frequent breaks during their nap time. I'll get a picture of them during their nap time. Orange, you're missing out on the food. Alright, I'll do some more videos later.